Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add underline text to table in Microsoft Publisher. So let's start it. At first, open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add underline text to a table in Publisher. Then select from a table text. Now going to the home menu option. Then click for a underline option. That is. Now you can see then show the add underline text to a table. Then again select from another text. Now go into the home menu option. Then click for underline icon option. That is. Now we show add underline text to a table in Publisher document. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.